we're going to learn about farm animals. Now let's start. Cow,
cow,
calf,
calf,
pig,
pig,
piglet,
piglet,
chicken,
chicken,
chick,
chick,
horse,
horse,
pony,
pony,
goat,
goat,
kid,
kid,
duck,
duck,
duckling,
duckling,
goose,
goose,
gosling,
gosling,
donkey,
donkey,
foal,
foal,
sheep,
sheep,
lamb,
lamb,
turkey,
turkey,
rabbit,
rabbit,
llama,
llama,
alpaca,
alpaca,
mule,
mule,
rooster,
rooster,
bull.
bull.
I hope you learn farm animals with us. Bye.
Hi friends, we have many quality kids books such as board books, flashcards, picture book, rhymes book, coloring book, origami book, activity books, textbook, writing book and story book. All books are available at Tamilarasi.org. All you have to do is log in and register and order your books. Thanks for your support. If you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends and family. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.
Nandri.